Hey guys, Jordan here. In this video, I'm gonna be answering a real estate photography question, so let's get into it. All right, so today's question is, do you recommend removing the wings every time you finish flying the drone so the propellers don't get damaged? Now, my opinion is I try not to disassemble and reassemble things that I don't have to. That's just gonna save me time. That goes for gimbals. That's why I really like the DJI, I think it's the RC2 or whatever, because all the axes lock and I can easily slide my camera on and off and not have to rebalance every single thing. So in regards to drones, I definitely don't take off my propellers. You know, because especially now with most drones folding and kind of folding in a nice spot, and a lot of times they'll have like a clamp around it, like the Mini 2. Yeah, I found that the wings are pretty durable. Like this one, it has a little clamp where it kind of holds up. These ones, I think this one needs a clamp because these are a little more fragile. With these newer ones, you got these ones on the bottom, you got these ones on the top. They're pretty durable, honestly. Just riding around in a case or in the back of your car, it's not really gonna break unless you drive like Fast and Furious or something. The thing that I would recommend doing, because we have broken several gimbals, is to make sure that you have a gimbal clamp on your drone at all times, especially when you're traveling. They will have a tendency to mess up. I think I haven't had any issues with the newer drones, but the original Mavic Pros, it seems like we had a lot of gimbal issues, and that was because people weren't using their gimbal clamps when they were going around, because it wasn't very intuitive. But that's what I would focus on to not damage the drone. So anyways, hope that answered your question. If you're interested in learning more about the real estate photography business, you can check out my free workshop. The link is in the description below. That's gonna do it for this one. Reach out if you have any questions. We'll see you guys on the next one.